This is the ZD8 Ultra Max smartwatch. You've got all kinds of ways of activating it. Twist your wrist, touch the screen, and you've also got an always-on screen capability second to none. Really amazing. Lots of things here, information about the watch. AliExpress, an onboard flashlight. You can activate, see your way around. Nice bright screen with this one. You have your ability to activate your personal assistant because it does support Bluetooth calling and it's a microphone, speaker, and music player integrated. Your overall brightness levels, which are vast. You've got weather forecast in this one. You got a bunch of other things that you have control of, including overall settings. Here you got do not disturb, find your phone, alarms, multiple other things. You can lock the screen because it does tie in with Alipay in China for making financial transactions, so you have to be able to lock the screen. An SOS feature. You even have a button that will drain water from the watch itself, shaking it and letting it all come out if you've been swimming with it. And of course, it is a waterproof watch. Slide this way. You got Bluetooth calling, your last notifications sent by text. You've got all kinds of last apps that you've used, date and time information's available over here. You've got your step count information, not only historical for the day, but all broken down by hour in terms of your distance traveled, calories burned, and your overall step count. Land on here, you get an instantaneous heart rate. Of course, it's computing regular continuous heart rate in the background if you have it set for that. You've got weather information, last night's sleep time, and the last few days to compare it against. The onboard music player that will stream music from your phone through the speaker in the watch. In addition to all that, now you come in here, you got the phone, messages, and contacts tied in with Bluetooth calling. You can initiate a call. You have fitness data that you can go into and a lot of different sports, walking, running, cycling. No GPS directly in the watch, but tied in with the Tethering app, you have access to following GPS tracks. Heart rate, ECG, it's not real, folks. It's not a real ECG on this one, and you can't transfer any data to the app either. So ignore that one. It's basically like heart rate. You do have blood pressure and blood oxygen. They're not continuous, but you can take the readings. Your NFC for exchanging business cards and things like that. Sleep time, stopwatch, weather, your own QR codes for your social apps, if you've got those. GPS motion, again, tied in with the phone when you're working out with both of them together. You can set time, do your voice assistant, alarm clocks, flashlights, calculators. It just goes on and on. A little massager, breathing. Ladies, you got your menstrual cycles. You've also got different styles of how these apps are laid out. You even have air pressure, and a couple of games are in this watch as well. Really, really sweet. It is a pretty close, if not identical, replica to the newest Apple Series 8 Ultra smartwatch. You see you got the speaker and button on this side, and the two extra microphone holes are over here as well. On this side, you've got the knob that lets you change to different watch faces, some of which can be downloaded, like that one. You have digital and analog always on displays that are these actual displays that are the watches themselves, and you have the ability with this one, which is so cool, to come in here on screen time, say keep bright, and it is always on. No matter what, doesn't dim down, eat your battery, but it stays on. One of the very few, if not the only watch that has that true capability. It is known as the ZD8 Ultra Max. Check it out.